Hey, welcome, John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. I want to do a video on the 66 Mustang before we load it. This is springtime yellow, original color, blue top. And we have about 6 coats of high solids urethane clear. All new sheet metal with chrome and rubber. Full rotisserie restoration. Pretty much all original. We went with dual exhaust stainless with the X pipe. Sounds really nice. It's got Budnick rims with Wildwood disc brakes. And I'm just giving you a side shot. Go back on the interior here. We went with all new door rubbers. All the rubber's been replaced. All the belt moldings, rubbers along the windshield, doors. All the vinyl top has been cleaned up, rebuilt. All new rubbers, new carpet, new interior, seats. This is the original colors. Center console, 4-speed car with a 289 small block. And let me pop the hood on it for a minute. Give me a second. I'll show you the engine. We have vintage air we installed. That was another add-on. And March pulleys. So let's pop the hood here. See the AC. March pulleys. Nice clean build, original matching number good tags, and it's going to make for a nice car. I'll give you a side shot over here again. Again, this is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.